Gonna show you a quick easy nymph that's deadly for trout and grayling. It's called a red tag. I think it was around the 1890s. Originally it was designed for grayling as a dry fly, but this is a modern nymph variation. All I'm using is a size 10 Czech nymph hook. You can use any hook you want, jig hook. No, like size 12, 14, that'll be decent. I'm just using a 10 for the purpose of the video. Got a 3.5mm tungsten bead in gold, but you can use black, silver, whatever you like. Just gonna start off. This can be as scruffy or as neat as you like, as you're not going to see any of this underbody. I'm just using some black thread, some uni thread in size 6, size 8 would be fine. I'll start off by tying in some egg yarn. I basically just split it up into like 3 or 4 segments. You want like a red, but for the purpose of this video I'm using orange as I've run out of red. Should work still the same. Tying that up to around about the barb area. Next, I'm going to tie in a little bit of silver wire. You can use what you like, whatever colour you like. Tinsel works good as well. Tie in the silver wire. Next, you just want some peacock herl, 2 or 3. I like using 2 for this particular nymph. Just put both the stems together and tie that in. Just tie them in together. I don't know what happened there. Just gonna do a little half hitch. Just behind the bead to keep the thread in. Next, just add a little bit of cement, a little bit of glue. This will help secure the black thread and it will soak in and secure the brittle peacock herl. Now, I'm gonna wind everything clockwise, but the peacock herl, I'm gonna go the opposite direction. So I'm gonna go counterclockwise. Then the silver wire, I'm gonna go clockwise. Start wrapping that down, keeping it nice and tight and secure. You want to sort of stop just before the hackle area. Just tie that in. A few times either side. And you can either helicopter the peacock herl off or just snip it. Now you want to take your wire and go the opposite way. It's nice and neat, evenly spaced, 2 or 3 times, 2 or 3 wraps. And I'm going to tie that in. Then either take an old pair of scissors or just helicopter the wire off. Don't use your good scissors on wire. Then I use, normally for this hackle area, I use black UV dubbing. But I've also running low on that. So for this video, I'm just going to use some copper and olive ice dubbing. You play around with this pattern, create your own little variation, see what works best and which doesn't. You only need a small amount, especially with this particular dubbing. It's very long stranded. And then just tie that round. Like I said, this particular dubbing, the strands are really long, so you may need to trim it, you might not. You can do all this at the end, like. I'll tidy it up towards the end. Now you just want to add a little bit more glue, just a small amount to the thread. Couple of wraps around the back of the bead. Now either whip finish by hand or just use a tool, whatever you find easier. Just get that whip finish right behind the bead. Now cut the thread loose. gonna tidy this up a bit. Normally I use black ice dubbing. This copper and olive stuff. It's really long stranded for some reason. Now what you're going to do is get your yarn, pull it back. Some people like it longer, some people like it shorter. I like mine quite shortish. I'm going to snip it around here. And there you go, red tag nymph, quick and easy, super deadly. To kill a nymph with brown trout, grayling, especially in UK rivers. I'd say it'd work elsewhere around the world too. Hope you enjoyed my first video. Any questions are out, just leave a comment below. Feel free to subscribe, I'm going to try and upload some more videos. Hopefully it helps. Cheers.